Okay, after you've downloaded the MyFitnessPal app, you're going to click on it and it's going to take you to here. So I'm going to help you get it all set up. So you're going to go to the three little buttons at the bottom right corner where it says more. Click on that and we're going to go to nutrition. So you should have already received your macros and calories from me. And that's where we're going to set up. And MyFitnessPal is going to want to give you some calories based on the goals you put in. But I've already figured your calories, and so we're going to change those. Okay, at the top where it says macros, nutrients, calories, I want you to click on calories, and then you're going to go down to where it says total calories, net calories, goal. Click on goal, and then this is where we're going to go in and change your macros and calories. So just click on one of the macros and it will take you there. And this is where we're going to change it. So whatever numbers I gave you, this is where you're going to put those in. And then make sure you click the check mark to save those. If you have the premium version, you can do things like carb cycling. So if you see at the bottom of mine, it says set daily goals. So this is where you could go in and set, so for example, I have Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, I do a lower carb day. And so that's where I can have that in so that it's automatically set up. MyFitnessPal knows that, hey, it's Tuesday, it's her lower carb day. So just kind of a cool feature that has. So let's go back. So click the back arrow button. And I want you're going to be here again. And I want you to go down and make sure that your steps are turned off. And also your exercise. So you can go to goals. And at the bottom where it says exercise calories, make sure that's turned off. So I've figured your macros and calories based on your activity level. And MyFitnessPal will give you extra calories if you put in your exercise. And we don't want that because we've already figured that. Okay, so from here, we're going to go to diary at the bottom. And this is going to be where you log your food. So if you can see at the top, it says the nutrients remaining. It shows me my carbs, fats, proteins, my macros, and my calories. This is what it will look like if you have the premium version. If you do not, it will look like this. It will only show you calories at the top. You will not see your macros. If you don't want the premium version, if you don't want to pay, you still can see your macros. You just have to do a couple more steps. So you're going to go back to the three little dots, go to nutrition, and you can click macros, and this will show you your totals. I don't have anything in yet, so obviously it shows 0. But this is how you can view your carbs, fats, and proteins and your calories and see where you're at. So I do recommend the premium version because, especially if you're just getting started, it's just so much more user-friendly. As you can see at the top, it's being able to see those 3 little bubbles, your carbs, fats, proteins, is so much better, especially if you're a visual person like me. I just like to see okay, this is how many carbs I have left for the day. Okay, so we're going to add in our foods. If you see under breakfast, something cool about MyFitnessPal is it remembers things that you typically eat. And we typically eat a lot of the same things, so that makes it nice. So it says swipe right to add your meal. So I'm going to say, yes, I'm going to eat that again. So I just swipe right. So as you can see, it took my totals away from the top, from what I had for breakfast. So now let's go down to dinner. Let's say I went to Wendy's, and we're going to search. Let's say, I had a chili. But let's say I only had half of a chili. So you see where it says serving size 1 large, number of servings 1. I'm going to change that to I only had a half of a chili. Make sure you click the check mark and click the check mark again. And again, it took away from my totals. So pretty simple. I feel like you can find most things in MyFitnessPal. You have to be a little bit careful, kind of search for, as far as the tips I gave you, try to be as specific as you can when you're searching for things because it'll be more accurate. So the other cool thing you can do is to use the barcode scanner. So we're going to click add food. So if you can see up on the top right, the little blue square thing, you're going to click on that. And then you're going to take your whatever you're eating. So for example, this is what I'm going to use. And you're going to find the barcode and you're just going to line it up and it automatically comes up. How cool is that? So this is exactly, if you use the barcode scanner, this is going to be a lot more exact because it's from the company, from the box, instead of you just trying to search a random something. So again, you could change the totals and you could say, I only had a half. And again, it will take away from your calories and stuff at the top. So another thing you could do, if you click add food, if you see at the top recipes, you can click the little plus sign up here at the top right, and you can create a recipe. So you can add from the web. So sometimes if you can find a recipe that's online, or you could enter your ingredients manually and figure it out that way. So, and then also meals, if there's something that you eat a lot, you can save them in here, and then you can just click on it if that's something that you want to do. Anyways, that is the gist of it, of MyFitnessPal. So it's pretty simple, user-friendly. It's just one of those things you need to start using it and start searching foods, and you're going to be able to figure it out. So if you have questions, let me know. And that's about it.